Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be doing another Whatnot unboxing. This unboxing is from Glenn the Hustler Hacks. So Glenn, thank you for always having dope items on your Whatnot. And I'll be linking down his Instagram. As you can see, my dad, Browntown Finds, also his Instagram and his eBay store will be linked down below. We buy a lot and network a lot with Glenn. So shout out to that guy. Very genuine. Today we have three unboxings or three boxes to unbox. So the first one, let's start off small and tame. As you guys can see, I have a Crooks and Castle shirt. I know I'm a couple years late, but Crooks and Castles and Diamond Co-Supply, like, it's one of those things where I wasn't a big fan of back then, but I am now. So I enjoy that Ross has been selling these. This is a little note from Glenn. It says, Rodolfo, thank you, bro. Enjoy the items. And thank you for being at every show. And I said the items because it did explain what it was. So as you can tell by the sizing, these are caps. This is a 7 5/8 New York G-Man Giants fitted cap. It's actually pretty cool, pretty different. Kind of reminds me like Marvel theme with the like X-Men. And this next one is a fitted as well. This is size extra large. You got a Patriots fitted. Pretty basic dad hat. Got the Patriots logo on the back, embroidered, and it's got the embroidery here in the top. Again, like I've said, I'm not a Patriots fan. My brother is, so maybe he will be the one in rocking these hats. Let me just try to get the cake slice in here. I love the packaging, honestly. Like, this shows a lot. Like he cares for the items. I'm sorry. So we got a couple items here. So we're gonna start off with this one. This is a men's size 2XL, and as you all know, y'all boy wears 2XL. Just by the colors of it right here. This is a Air Jordan shirt. Just by these colors, I have the. Yes, I am wearing Laker shorts. Like, these colors are like black with like a turquoise, and I have these Easter 11s that would look pretty good with them. Hopefully the shirt fits me, but let's see the whole shirt. You guys are taking the first look from the back. It's all black, so it's a nice like blue turquoise, and then it fades out into like a neon color, neon orangey color. Pretty nice, pretty essential. The colors are nice, and it reminds me kind of like a sunrise drink. You know, very summer is coming up, so I definitely will be keeping that one. And whoa, this is obviously the receipt. But let me go ahead and. This is pretty nice, because, well, here is a $25 Nike. Sorry, not Nike. Foot Locker gift card. This obviously was won in, I'm guessing, a giveaway. And it's honestly like really nice item because, well, now I can take you guys along, show you what my Foot Locker has, and show you what I can cop. Or, you know, first of all, we need to ask my pops if it'd be cool if I could take you guys along. Here we have another Jordan shirt. This one appears to be sealed straight from like Nike. Um, this one gives me like the colors, like gives me like the great vibes. I don't know if my audience is old enough or to know. So again, ooh, this has a nice hit of like turquoise with the purple Air Jordan on the front. But wait till you guys see the back. This is really nice. The colors very Eastery. I understand. Easter just passed, but very nice shirt to begin with. That shirt, I compare it up with my Union Force, even though my Union has like gray and stuff, but it's gonna really pop the orange out because I'm pretty sure it's like around the same color. I was gonna say this is also my size, but no, this is a size XL, which actually my pops and my brother are both size XL. And this shirt, I'm gonna leave a package just because it's the exact same one as the first black one we saw. So he got a 2X and an XL. You know, viewing twinning, viewing winning. Shout out to Paul Cantu for that one. If you would like to see a picture like of my dad and I matching, or my brother and I like a twin pic, let me know down in the comments. We can get crazy with it. So here we have yet another 2XL, and this looks to be the white version of the black one, and it is my size, so it's always nice to have extra clothing in my size, just because I think like having as much options as you can. As y'all saw, like I like thrifting and stuff, so I always like running into good deals and stuff. And well, as you see, like all these items, Glenn, like always having deals, the steals and deals. And honestly, I really like the white one better. It looks kind of long, but should be pretty good with some short shorts, you know, summer vibes. But this colorway, really nice. Again, between the black, I wear a lot of black, guys. Like as you can see, like I'm all black and I'm just here at the house. I wear all black, which I know I need to add more color to my wardrobe, but with time, you know, as I get more confident in like rocking the crazy colors, as people would say, great inspiration to me outfits wise. I like all the heavy influencers, like heavy as in the sense like bigger guys. So DJ Khaled, like Fat Joe, and people like that, influencers in this culture that really take the outfits like to the next level, and to me that's beautiful. So as you can see, we have a jacket, but well, I thought it was just a jacket, and it's not a jacket. This is a fat bag. But to begin with, ooh, this is really nice actually. We have a NFL team, Denver Broncos beanie. As you see, kind of looks like breast cancer awareness just because of the pink. It's really nice. Shout out to the Broncos. They now have acquired Russell Wilson. Oh yes, Luke Kuechly. Panthers jersey, my size. Just messing with y'all. Maybe an accident will come around and well, I'll be ready. So this is actually pretty nice. Like it's so cute seeing jerseys of this size because it's like you know, keep pounding. This is a Nike jersey. I'm just pulling stuff out the bag, so I'm not, of course. Being from Texas, everyone always stereotypes, oh, you're a Cowboy fan, this and that. I am not a Cowboy fan. I might get flamed for this, but I'm just not a fan, man. Here you have a Dak Prescott white jersey, clean jersey. The colors are nice, but the team itself, man, just not a fan. Here we have Fanatics small, Los Angeles Rams shirt. Here we have, man, these shirts are tiny. This is pretty simple. Los Angeles Rams with, this is navy blue, I believe. Yeah, my eyes are playing tricks on me. See what else we got in the bag. Here we have a majestic size XL Los Angeles Chargers. And to those people who around my age, do y'all remember when it was San Diego Chargers? Like, it's crazy, like, seeing those pieces where it still says San Diego, and like this generation's like might not even know that. This is pretty simple tees. We go into another one. This looks like a tank top, size medium. Oh, it's not a tank top. It's a long sleeve woman cut Philadelphia Eagles, size medium. Yeah. Cut. I like when teams use like these old school like style of lettering, because you can see like it's white and then the outline of the letters is like a green, like a shiny green. So here we have large, might be kids large, Rams tee. Pretty fire. Another for the generations out there, like, y'all remember when this were St. Louis Rams? I know for a while my Texas thrift, no, correction, my family thrift used to have a lot of St. Louis pieces. Honestly, my favorite piece from the haul is gonna be the purple and turquoise Jordan shirt. Yeah, it doesn't give like specific colorways like the shoes do, but really fire shirt. And my second favorite item is going to be the Panthers kids jersey, just because this is really cute, and well, you never know what the future upholds. I always gotta be ready. But nah, these are really nice. Like, it's really cute, you know, seeing like how small jerseys are made. This is a medium, or like, I don't know, like, well, maybe there's some girls out there that can like pull this like as a tank jersey, or I don't know, but fire pieces. Again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We might take a Foot Locker tour or Foot Locker trip. Again, thank you for watching. My Instagram will be linked down below. Let me know any brands or any influencers that you know on Whatnot that you would like me to try out. Again, thank you for watching and stay blessed.